you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I'll be eating only yellow food for 24 hours. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family. Now let's get on to it. So for breakfast, I choose the simplest thing, that is banana. I picked this one and I picked the smallest one because I am not hungry at all right now, and I just had to eat something until the lunch gets ready. So yeah, I just picked this one and now I'm gonna be working on my laptop for a bit. Luckily my mom made this Latin soup, so it is, I don't know, it does look yellow on the camera, but it is quite yellow. So I'm just gonna be having this, and I am feeling so freaking hungry, so I can't wait to dig in. So this is my after lunch sweet dessert, whatever you call it. This one is a super simple laddu. We bought this last week and I've been craving this lately a lot, and I've been having it a lot, even though it was not my favorite at the beginning, but right now I'm just like, you know, digging it and it is fun. So yeah, I'm gonna be having this, but I'm not gonna be having a full one. It is quite huge, so I will be cutting it. I'm just gonna be having this half because that's enough for me. That's good enough. Not gonna lie, the lunch was good, and I'm so glad this is yellow. So for dinner, I am making myself this instant noodle. This is Maggi curry flavor, and no joke, it is yellow. Not only the packaging, but itself, the noodle. When you cook it, it is yellow somehow because of the spices. So yeah, I will be making this for myself. I usually add green chilies and lemon sometimes, but since we are only eating yellow, I will be having it plain like this. It's not bad, but I do like to add chilies in my instant noodle. I just like it. That Maggi was not enough for me. I am having this mango. Literally last night I did not have mango because I didn't want it to get myself full of it, so I can eat it today, no joke. So here I am having this. I like to cut it in circles, and it just gives me a cup holder kind of thingy, and I just eat it like so. Thanks God there are good food that are yellow. It's a lot later at night, and I'm kind of making myself baked fries, and this is my midnight snack. So yeah, I am making these frozen fries. Just gonna be drizzling olive oil over it, and then I'm gonna bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes until these are nice and crispy. So the fries are completely done, and I'm gonna have them and continue watching my show, The Worst Cooks in America. This show is hilarious, you guys. I'm on season 1. I'm gonna binge it tonight. And yeah, usually I like to have my fries with a little bit of ketchup and mayonnaise, but I can't right now. Those are white and red. Need to have them simple. So whatever. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platforms. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.